Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your headphones Creative Zen Pro to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now you should press power button on your headphones and it should enter to prank mode automatically. So we should see it on the list. And we see it, click on it. Now hide the settings and let's go to the application. Click Add New Device and we can see our headphones. So click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!